What's up, everybody? This is Eric, the Tech Preacher from AskEazyComputerSolutions. So I made a video of the Galaxy Note 9 2-year anniversary, the 2-year review with this phone. One of my favorite phones. Well, in that video, when it came down to the camera portion of that video, I put it against the LG V60. And a lot of you guys are asking the question, ooh, easy. Can you do a dedicated video with the Galaxy Note 9 and the LG V60, old versus new? So I'm like, yeah, why not? Let's go to do a full camera review between the Galaxy Note 9 and the LG V60, old versus new. So both of these devices is king supreme, and let's see how good or how bad both of these devices fare in 2020. So let me give you a disclaimer. Right now in my city and state, I'm still under curfew, so I cannot do no nighttime video and no nighttime photography. So this video right here is going to be daytime only. Also, this is a requested video. So I'm not just putting both of these devices just to be doing it. I'm honoring requests. So let's go to get into both of these devices. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go.
The Chosen.
All right, guys, so here it is. Galaxy Note 9, LG V60. This was a requested video, and I'm so glad that I can do this video to kind of show you guys the old versus new. So let's get into it. Look at that sky. Whew. It's early in the morning for me right now. So we get there. I got a nice blue sky. All right. All right, so let's look at the stabilization on both devices. There it is. That's what I'm talking about. I'm gonna go audio from side to side so y'all guys can hear the audio on both devices. But the Galaxy Note 9 is one of my favorite phones, but I mean, again, it's reaching kind of old in the tooth. It's still a fantastic phone, especially for the price. Yes, absolutely. So let's walk again. Look at the green. And one of the things that Galaxy phones and Samsung phones always do is oversaturate everything. So when you see this grass ain't green, like super green. You got some brown patches here or there. Your LG V60 always going to show more natural colors. The Galaxy devices always oversaturate, but it all depends on your flavor. Do you like oversaturation, or you like that natural colors? All right, so look at the wheel. Let's see if we can change focal points. All right, and all the way in. That's going to be 10 times zoom right there. And let's do the same thing here to the Galaxy Note. 10 times zoom. All right, so you be the judge for yourself. Let's see if I can get the Galaxy Note in focus. So that's 10 times zoom on both devices. All right, let's go back out. All right.
Downtown, I got that heat, let's go.
right, this is the front-facing camera of the Galaxy Note 9 and the LG V60. So there it is. As y'all guys can see, you be the judge for yourself. Which one take care of the background, the highlights? There it is. Let's go and look at that background. Selfie cameras on both of them. Look at that sky, blue. Look at that, got a nice little cloud. There it is. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Galaxy Note 9 and the LG V60. See you guys on the next video. Peace.